If you see a stranger when you're out there riding, will you let me know, Patch?
Oh, sure I will.
His name is Boomer.
Hey, go on.
You're Billy Two Feathers.
You know who I am?
You're P.T. Boomer. And you left this valley a long time ago when I first became a railroader.
Now I'm back.
I'm looking for Burnett Stone. Where is he?
Wherever he wants to be.
Being innocent like everyone else in this town won't work. I'll find him.
Yes, there is innocence here. Don't mess with it. Innocence is here because this valley is built on land that's special. And it's touched by gold dust, too. That combination equals harmony. But you can't understand that even when it's staring you in the face.